Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, if you have problems with opening your trunk or the central locking system, guys, for the trunk and the car, guys, stay with us. We will show you which relay you need to check, guys. We also have the video that explains which fuse is for that as well. Please check it out, it's on the channel, guys. In addition, we have, guys, more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing all these videos to you. All we guys need in return, please give a like, subscribe, and please drop a comment below. Let us know what you think about the channel, guys. So, as you know, guys, on that Chevy Cruze you have some fuses in that fuse box under the hood, but that's not where that relay is, guys. Most of the relays will be here, but it's not here. So if your trunk does not open, you pull, and it doesn't open, let me show you guys which relay you need to check. So I need to get something to open the door now. And here inside, guys, next to the steering wheel there is one cover, this cover here, and inside, guys, you can see this is your fuse box, this one here. So now you have two things, one right there that you need to push in and one on this side. So you need to squeeze them like that and pull down. Okay, guys, and you can see it came up like that. Now here, it's spring loaded. I'm just going to pull it down, like that now, guys. You can see, and the relay, guys, for the central locking and the trunk, guys, it's this relay right here. So all we have to do, let me grab it here now. Good, and I will just pull it out. It's very inconvenient, because it's very limited room. Guys, so this is now, guys, the relay. I'll grab it with the pliers because I wasn't able to get it with my fingers. So this is, guys, the relay. We'll have it, guys, listed in the description of the video below. So we can check where we buy it from and all that stuff. So all we have to do, guys, just put it together and everything, everything should be fine. If the relay doesn't solve your problem, check the fuse, that could be another problem as well. So that's where it's located, guys. So when you're ready to install it, all we have to do, just make sure that you go the correct way. It goes only one single way. And push it all the way in. Perfect. Later, you need to put that cap on, like that, and then you need to install your fuse box by pushing all the way back and lock it. Don't forget to put your cover as well. So thank you for watching and see you. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.